Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to make a beautiful pattern and it's very easy too. So we're going to make this you can call it little bombs, I don't know, whatever you name, but it's just tiny little bombs and it's very easy to do it. So I have 22 cast on stitches. You can give as many as you wish. The first I did uh, like an inch or half an inch border, little bit just knit stitch and purl stitch at the bottom, and then I did few rows of this. So how we're going to do it is very easy. First we're gonna do a knit and a purl, a knit and a purl, or a purl and a knit, something like that. And then we're gonna, so here you see, what you see is a purl and a knit. So we're gonna do here a knit and a purl, a knit and a purl, like that, 2 rows. And then the next row, 2 rows, we're gonna do a purl and a knit, purl and a knit, and that will give this little bumpy things which looks really nice. So let's do this. Either you can do purl or knit, so I'm going to do this one, a knit and a purl. Okay, so we're going to do a knit, and then we're going to do a purl. But you see, originally this was knit, this was purl. We're just gonna alternate. So a knit and a purl. Very easy. It looks cute. Just tiny little bumps. So if in case you forget somewhere, you look at this and you see this is purl, so we're gonna do a knit. We're just doing opposite what was there before. Do knit, and this I'm gonna do purl because this was a knit previously. So 2 rows of same and 2 rows of opposite, and that will give you a result. And you could be more creative. You could do 3 rows of same or 4 rows of same, and then 4 rows of opposite or 2 rows of opposite. So patterns are nothing but be creative and create something. It's not hard in the stone, like it has to be specific way. You can tailor it to your need, how you want it to look like. Even looks are not hard on the stone. So I see done this one, this side. So now this side we're gonna do same what we did before. So we're gonna do a knit and a purl, a knit and a purl, like that. Okay, so a knit and a purl, these knittings are really very addictive. Back home, not now, years ago, when my grandma's time, when people afternoon after they cook their food, eat their lunch, some people slept and some people didn't sleep, didn't take a nap. Some ladies, they took a nap. Some ladies had a belief that if they took a nap in the daytime, they'll gain weight. So they didn't take naps in the daytime. They just went to sleep at night, which was usually 10 o'clock, no later than that. So then they used to, after lunch, they used to knit outside, sitting in the sun, of course in winter, with their neighborhood friends. So everybody will sit and knit something and talk about their life. And this had many purpose, like, you're getting something done, learning from each other, socializing, and talking about your problems or happiness or sadness. So this was a great community bonding with having a knitting community. So some people did knitting, some people did crochet. So now we did 2 rows. So I mean, it's good if you remember. If you didn't, it's fine, because you could always do 3 rows, same thing. So I did 2 rows. Now this is the front side. Now front side, since here you see 2 rows of knit, now I'm going to do purl, because whatever you did before, do the opposite. So I'm going to do a purl, and then this one was purl, this one will do knit. So we'll continue like this. And there are sometimes competition, how someone learned a stitch and how beautiful they did a sweater or something with that. So yeah, it was really a nice time, that era. As our years are going by, if we look back, we see that we're losing all the good things, what was there previously, and we're progressing towards not so good, bad things. So whatever was there before, like you see here, knit, you do purl, and if you see purl, you do knit, because you're doing opposite of what you did. So you can have 3 rows of knit and purl, and 3 rows of purl and knit, or 2 rows. So this was my 1 row, and I'm going to do the another one. So this is the 4 rows. The stitch you can understand in 4 rows, but not, I don't know what happened here, black lint or whatever. Yeah, well, whatever it was. So here we did a purl. So we start with the purl. You can write it down if you forget, like you're doing it and you remember, like, oh, I don't remember what I was doing. You can write it down always. idea. That's how I'm gonna do, like one knit, one purl, one purl, one knit, opposite, 2 rows of same and 2 rows of different, or 3 rows of same, 3 rows of different. It doesn't matter. You can do 4 rows of same, 4 rows of different, because the longer you do, you're just gonna have longer chains. That's all, nothing else. Okay, so here we are. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.